13. They don't put them in order. They've got 7, 4, 3, 2, 8, 5, 1, 3. So you want to put them in order first. Okay? So that would make it 1, 2, 3, and then 3 again, and then 4, 5, 7, and 8. Okay? So here they are, they're in order. So in order to find the median, you have to have this data set in order. Okay? So now we're counting. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means there's going to be 4 to the right and 4 to the left. So that means the median is going to, because this is an even number, the median is going to be in between the two. And it's the average of the two middle numbers. So in this case, it's easy, right? You don't even have to calculate this out. It's 3 plus 4 is 7 over 2 is 3.5. Okay, well that was easy. You didn't even have to calculate that out, right? You could just look at that and tell it's going to be 3.5. Okay, for our median. But the next problem is not so obvious, such as problem number 20. Okay, here we have 1.4, 2.1, 1.6, 3.0. That's not in order. So in problem 20, we've got to put it in order. Okay, so you have to start with the lowest, which is going to be 1.4, and then 1.4 again, and 1.4 again, and then it goes up to 1.6, and 1.8, 2.1, 2.2, 3.0, 9.0, and 9.0. Okay? So let's see how many we got here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? 10. So that means we're going to have how many and how many on each side? 5 and 5, right? So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's our median, right? But that's not so obvious. So we have to take the two middle numbers, right? Which is going to be 1.8 plus 2.1 divided by 2. Okay? Does anybody get a number for that?
Yeah,
1.95, right. 1.95 is our median. Okay? Well, the 1.95 is not even in the data set, but it is our median. Okay? Because it's in between, it's halfway in between the two middle numbers. Okay? And that's our answer. Any questions with that? Okay. On problem 10 again, it says find the median for the data items in the frequency distribution in exercise 10. Well, I knew I shouldn't have erased it so soon. Well, let's take a look at it again. Alright, in exercise 10, we have, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And we've got 2, 2 and 4, and 5 and 7, and 6 and 4, and then 3. Okay, for our score and our frequency. And what we want to do here in problem 22 is we want to find the median. Okay? So what we do here is we take n plus 1 and we're going to divide that by 2. Okay, so n is the number, the total number. Which we said before was 31. Okay? So that's going to be 31 plus 1 divided by 2. We get 32 divided by 2. And we get 16. Okay? So what we're looking at here for the median is the 16th position. Okay? Well, we've got 2, this is 4, that makes it 6, right? 6 and 5 is 11. 11 and 7 is going to be 18, right? So 4, if we were to string these out, okay, we'd have 1, 1, right? 2, 2, 2, 2, and then 3 5s, or 5 3s rather. And then 7 4s. Anyways, 4, 4, 4, that's 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then it goes on, right? So we're saying that the 16th position is our median, right? Well, here's 2, there's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Sure enough, we're looking for the 16th position, and 4 goes up to the 18th. So what do you think our median is? It's 4, right? Okay. So with a table like that, where it has a frequency in it for each number or each score, then you use this n plus 1 over 2 to get the median, and then you count over how, the number of frequencies up to that point, and that would be your you look over and that would be your median. Okay? That way you don't have to list them all the way across and then, do it long ways. All right? Any questions with that? Okay.